Watching Masters in Trading Live with Jonathan Rose.
Hello, everybody. Oh, what's up, guys? Hey, everybody, it's Jonathan, and welcome to Masters in Trading Live. At Masters in Trading Live, I get on here every single day the market's open, 11 o'clock Eastern, to share a few things about the market, share, my view, what we see. So we started Masters in Trading Live back in late February, and we got on here live, and every single day I was sharing a trade. And under the mastersintrading.com/live, underneath the video, you can see the entire portfolio. And that entire portfolio is every single trade that we shared. And the dates on there, you could always go on YouTube and go back to watch the original video so you could see the exact trade that we shared. And every time we shared a trade, we had to make sure that those levels were available live. So anybody who's watching, if they wanted to put that trade on, they could have the option to put that trade on. Now, the ultimate goal was, hey, February 28th, let's start putting out videos. We'll share trades. Maybe some people will be watching and they'll learn. Maybe they'll take some trades and they'll make enough money to join the service when we started our advanced notice service, which is our unusual options activity service. Many of you have been able to accomplish just that. So we're going to do a little cleanup day. We have a lot to go over. So we're going to go over advanced notice trades, ALAB, BHP, Katos, attack drones, CART, ING, and then finally there's this little out of the way stock. Many of you guys don't know about it. It's called GameStop. It's actually taking over the world. The most liquid contracts right now are Nvidia and GameStop. That's weird. Let's go to the charts. All right. Let's start here. It's hammer time. Hammer, welcome, buddy, and thank you for participating. But Hammer here made almost $2,500 on the free trades, ALAB, BHP, and Katos, and then joined the service. Great play. ALAB. ALAB was a trade that we shared sometime in March. ALAB is a lockup trade. Lockup trades are going to go offered. When I say going to go offered, that means that they are going down. They are going down because there is tremendous selling pressure with any kind of lockup rally. That's what we did for ALAB, and that's why many of you were able to lock in a whole bunch of profits. So awesome, well done. The next trade that Hammer was able to take advantage was our BHP trade. Now, BHP, we shared going back to April, and BHP was playing for oil to rally a little bit. And then we also looked at different hedges. One of the hedges that we talked about was Rio, BHP versus Rio. We had a really, really great move from 54.5 all the way up to 62. We are still very bullish BHP, but many of you guys are taking profits. Nice call. And then finally, in order to lock in that $2,500, Katos. Katos, we started sharing this in February. We like Katos because they are the attack drone company that's being financed by the U.S. government. So this is a trade that we shared somewhere around 16, 17 in February. Now, Katos, along with many of the trades that we share, is super, super volatile. We want to buy Katos on opportunity and then lock in profit when it rallies. Overall, we are bullish, waiting for a big move in the attack drone company, and names like this are actively talked about in our Discord. By the way, everybody who's trading, everybody who's risking money, you need to have a community. You need to have people that you can bounce ideas off of. And I'm not just talking about like siblings or your cousin. You want someone to say that's a bad idea and give you reasons why that's a bad idea. Or you want someone to say, it's Katos. We're long attack drones. If it's down, maybe that's because the beta of the overall market, systematic risk of the overall market is down, but we still want to buy Katos attack drones. You need to be with a community. That's why we have a community that talks about our trades. All right, let's go back to the screens. So 3 trades, boom, we're able to make profit, make $2,500 to join our advanced notice trading group. So congrats on that. Very, very cool. Cart. Let's go over the cart trade. Cart, we shared February 27th, and then we shared March 20th. Now, this trade is very similar to how we approach our trades. Okay, I've been trading since 1997. Really learned how to fine-tune my option game when I was a market maker between 2011 and 2015 on the floor of the Chicago Board Options Exchange. Well, CART, bullish. We got in lower than here. Last trade, I guess we got in 31.56. Stock is trading 34.51. So that was the first trade on February 27th, which would be right around here. And then you'll notice March 20th, right about here, we did another trade. So the trade, we are bullish, so short, and we're long. And so what we need to do is we need CART to close above 33 at expiration. So we're still holding this trade. If you're in this trade, manage money. I like holding until expiration. ING. ING is a name we've had in our free portfolio. We have the 15 puts, and then we have the 18 puts. Again, we are managing money. So first trade, second trade. Sometimes we'll even have a third trade. First trade we buy for 80 cents, 15 puts. Those are now worth a dime. The second trade we did for 53 cents, 18 puts. Those are now worth $1.10. Let's close those. So we want to close these for $1.10. What does that do? Well, that makes our total risk down to 9 cents because we just pull in 60 cents from this trade. Many of you guys sat out the original 15 puts. It wasn't for you and decided to jump in those 18 puts. If that was you, I would close the position, lock in your 100%, pat yourself on the back, and say, great job. Mike here today, this morning. Mike, thank you for sharing this in the Discord. Love waking up to the 100% returns. Sold tranche number 2 in ING, still holding the original tranche. Heck of a trade. And then Wood 32, ING, bought 20 for 54 cents, another 100%, sold 10 at $1.10, and then we're going to hold on to the final 10. So great job managing these trades. Appreciate everybody sharing. I'm going to leave you with one more. Let's talk about GameStop. Now, before I talk about GameStop, GameStop is absolutely silly. Okay? GameStop had over 500 individual trades that hit our advanced notice. That was actually the most active of any name this year. So I'm going to go to Game and I'm going to share what I would do if I say had a $1,000 and just wanted to make a trade. With that being said, I don't want to touch this. This is a bunch of BS, a bunch of hogwash. I don't care. It's not real trading. But many people have asked about games, so go ahead. We're going to look, and I'll tell you what I would do with phony baloney money. Now, game 2282. How silly game is I'm on January. There are 13,000 of the 125s. These dudes don't make any money until game gets above 128. That is nuts. The stock's at 2282, $300 per contract. They have 18 or 13,000 of them, and they don't make money till 128. That's freaking absolutely crazy. You know what, guys? If I had $1,000 of play money, I wouldn't touch game. I wouldn't do anything with it. I would say forget about it. I'm not throwing away my money. So what we want to do, game right now is sitting with about 200% volatility. Too much. That name is broken. Don't do a thing with it. Now, everybody in my all access, just like we went over the portfolio for the free, we're going to go over the portfolio for the all access. Now, all access includes our divergence program, our earnings program, our blockchain program, and our advanced notice program. Thanks for watching. I'll be on here live tomorrow, 11 o'clock Eastern. I'll see you then.
Join us every